Okay, hi there. Today we're gonna do Can't Help Falling in Love by, who sang this? 21 Pilots. That's the name of the singer. The chords we're gonna use are key of C, like that. And then next one is E minor. It's gonna be like this. Starting from the second fret. There you go. E minor. Next one is A minor. This one here. That is A minor. Next one is F. So from A minor, add this one. It becomes F. Easy, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This is key of G. 1, 2, 3. 1. I mean finger 1. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Don't forget, that's key of G. And this one is G7. This one moves here, but the fingering is different. 1, 2, 3, like that. G7, G, G7. Okay? I hope you got it. Next is B7. B7 is going to be like this. 1 bar. Put your finger in here in the second fret, bar, and then 1 is in here on the third string, 2, 3. Okay, bar, then this one. That's B7. Okay. Next one is A. A or A7. Take out that one, it becomes A7. Or you can just play A for now. And then D minor. Open, then this one. Okay, yeah. This one, and the second string. There, and then here. Oh, you know what? This is the key of F, right? F, and then put this one here. It becomes D minor. Okay, that's good. F, D minor. G, G7. Okay, let us review. C, E minor. A minor, F, G, G7, B7, okay, A or A7, A, and D minor. There. Okay. Got it? All right.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't surely to the sea. Darling, so it goes. Some things were meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. 'Cause I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea. Darling, so it goes. Some things were meant to be. Oh, take